मिस्टर जय रंजन, आपने मेरे लिए अगला क्या टास्क रखा हुआ है बता दीजिए। आई एम एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस वीडियो बट आई एम ऑल्सो नर्वस। You've done full Big Boss on this, huh? One of your tasks and all. Guys, why am I filming this video? Can someone please tell me? Hi guys and welcome to today's vlog. Today's vlog, as the title has already probably told you, is my husband controls a day in my life. If you have not met Gerard Jayaranjan before, you will meet him today. And just a little bit of a disclaimer, he has quite a wicked sense of humor. Let me just put it like that. Also, I think I've chosen a very unfortunate day to film this on. It is a Sunday and there's no other day that I can possibly film this video, because if he asks me to just sit with him and cuddle him for half an hour, I can't do that on a work day. There is a very high possibility that he does something like that because he loves to go off to sleep on my tummy on like weekends. He's like a little baby. So I can't obviously film this with him during the week when I need to be working. And oddly enough, even though it's Sunday, I have a few things that need to be filmed or edited. So I'm really hoping he kind of, in controlling my day, gives me some time to sit and edit, because there are a few things that I need to get done. I'm excited for this video, but I'm also nervous, I'm not gonna lie, okay? So I've woken up about half an hour ago. I always go into the shower first thing. Come to think of it, I probably couldn't have showered and asked him if I should shower, but it's just habit. I wake up, I don't even leave my bedroom before showering. And let's just go to him and see what he says, what I should have for breakfast or what I should do. Let's get to him. Morning, His Highness.
Good morning.
You know what today is?
Yes.
What is it?
I control your day.
Oh damn, you are too excited for my own liking. But listen, be nice to me now.
Ha 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 ha.
Evil. No, you're too cute for this. Okay, do you have any idea of what you have in mind for my day? Like,
Yes.
okay, tell me.
No.
Huh? How will I do if you don't tell me?
I'll tell you when the time is right.
Damn, you're playing hard, huh? Okay, can I have breakfast?
Nope.
I can't have breakfast?
Not right now.
Okay, what should I do now then?
Relax. Chill. Go sit in your massage chair. Now.
Really? You're making me do this right
Yeah.
now? You know
Go.
I hate that. Like first
Go.
thing in the morning.
Go.
You're making me lazy first thing.
Go.
Okay, so first thing in the morning, he's making me sit in the massage chair. Here goes. This day is going to be completely out of control. By the way, I came in to say this here so that you can take a look at my OOTD. It's a chill t-shirt that I have from like really long ago, and these Forever 21 shorts that I actually picked up to work out in, but they're so comfortable that I'll end up wearing them in the house just like that also. I have a question. While I'm doing this, can I read a book? I've got Ikigai, which I've been meaning to start, and I also want to play Ludo. So do you
Ikigai.
also? No Ludo?
No, no, no.
Okay, so I'm reading Ikigai. This is a book I bought online. I have been buying a lot of books on Amazon, and I'm glad I got this one because a lot of people have been recommending it as well. I did finish already reading a couple of books in the past few weeks. I finished reading I've Never Been Unhappier by Shaheen Bhatt. I finished The Guest List, which was a really great murder mystery, by the way. If you're into that, you should definitely look that book up. And now I'm on to Ikigai. I mean, I read a few others also, but now I can sit and keep listing all the books I've read. This one is supposed to be about the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. So I'm looking forward to it.
You know what's the Japanese secret to a long and happy life?
Sushi.
Well done. Well done.
I mean, I kind of just expected that from you. I literally just said in my intro to them that you have a wicked sense of humor. I think you and I should consider going for like sushi making class or something, like after this lockdown ends.
Okay.
I love sushi, you love sushi, we don't know how to make sushi. You know, like that sushi rice paper thing. We should consider going for it.
Sure.
It'll be fun.
Yes. One of your tasks involve her also, by the way.
You've done full Big Boss on this, huh? One of your tasks and all. I'm so screwed. Okay, my massage timing has gotten over. Mr. Jay Ranjan, आपने मेरे लिए अगला क्या टास्क रखा हुआ है बता दीजिए.
Next up, you'll have to go and open that box. Actually, to be truthful,
This box.
Yeah, you need to help Nibbles open that box.
Help Nibbles open that box. She's busy here playing. Is this the thing that we ordered from Amazon for the house?
Yeah.
I'm excited. Okay, let's open it. I mean, I don't know how much I'll involve Nibbles in it, but I'll open it on my own.
I'm pretty sure she'll get involved.
And you won't help me.
Of course not.
Okay, let's do this. Done. Task complete with a lot of sweat. But task complete.
Now go sit inside that flower pot. Because you are a fool.
So mean. In case you're wondering why you've ever seen so many cartons in the house, no, I do not leave packages lying around. This is my husband, ladies and gentlemen, who basically keeps at least one ginormous carton that is almost the breadth of my dining table in the house for Nibbles. He's currently adjusting, I need to zoom in, he's currently adjusting the chadar, Nibbles' quilt in there. Jerry, are you ever going to stop giving her cartons?
No.
There you go, you got the answer. It looks a little shabby, but she likes them. And we've got her some really expensive beds in the past, and she doesn't like those. She likes these cartons with her quilt inside. By the way, what you're seeing just behind the quilt are my rugs. They've come back from the laundry and they're just sitting there. I'm not planning to put them out right now for a little while because moving the furniture around without the rugs is just much easier. And what you're seeing next to the carton and the quilt, that little cardboard thingy in Jerry's hand, is her horizontal scratch board, and that's ribbon from some PR kit that she's really taken a fondness to. Cats, you guys, you get them the nicest things, they don't care, they want the simpler things in life. Oh, actually, maybe I am a cat, Jerry. That sounds like me.
Make your cardboard box as well.
Okay, listen, so our Wear fam doesn't know why you said no to my breakfast. You said that off cam. Why did you say no to my breakfast?
Because I'm gonna go get you keema.
So I have a little tradition where on Sundays I would have keema, and he's gonna go get me my favorite keema at 11 as soon as that place opens. It's around 10:30 right now. So ab aadhe ghante mein can I go and like work or something now? Can I finish off some work if you don't mind?
No.
Arey, I really need to get some work done now today.
But after your breakfast.
Okay, what do you want me to do for half an hour?
Watch the news.
Alright then. Okay, so in the process of controlling my day, husband has gone and done something really sweet. He has gone and got me my favorite keema breakfast, which
Sunday
is like
breakfast.
Yeah, Sunday breakfast, which I've stopped having as Sunday breakfast, from this restaurant called Rajasthan, very close to where we live.
It's not Rajasthan, the state.
It's Rajasthan, the restaurant.
Yeah.
Thank you. I like
welcome.
this. If you keep controlling my day, then these are like nice breakfasts. Okay, it's been a while since I vlogged, a couple of hours actually. I had to get on a society meeting, building society meeting on Zoom for a few things, and then I had to do a couple of work calls on a Sunday, I know, but it's okay. I also managed to edit a video. Basically, I have decided that I'm going to be much more active than usual on my Hindi channel as well. I'm not choosing between the two. I'm just going to start giving that a little bit more attention to upload videos more often. Please go ahead and subscribe to my Hindi channel if you haven't already. For me to be able to actually monetize that channel, it needs to get a certain number of watch minutes, watch hours and subscribers. So if you could show me some support and go watch some videos on that channel, it would be really great, especially because I'm planning a lot of like really cool makeup, skincare, beginner stuff for that channel. I am a little hungry now and I have no idea what Jerry has planned for lunch because he's kept me out of the loop and he's kind of decided what's happening today. So let's go to him and find out. Gigi, cutie, hi.
Hi.
I'm really hungry. Can I eat?
asking him permission.
I mean, you're controlling my day and I've been working a little bit and doing calls and all. Can I eat? By the way, in case you're wondering, this add-on quilt is kept here for Nibbles. She tends to scratch on this vertical. So to stop her from that, we put this quilt there. Gigi.
And yes, you may eat.
I may? Thank you. But I don't know what's for lunch. What's for lunch? You've decided.
Pav bhaji.
What? Yay! For those of you who don't know, like my favorite Sunday lunches are either chicken biryani or pav bhaji, and I had chicken biryani last week, so this is perfect. Thank you. I'm gonna sit and eat. Have you eaten?
Yes, I have.
What did you eat?
I had momos.
Ooh,
and
fancy.
I had quesadillas.
Quesadillas. Yummy. Fancy boy. Okay, I'm gonna go have pav bhaji. Bye. You are really enjoying this day, na? Getting to take full advantage of being boss.
अभी तो शुरू हुआ है.
Acha. Okay, I am done with lunch.
Alrighty.
What do you want me to do next?
Your next task is in the living room.
Okay, are you coming with me?
Yeah.
Come. Looking at you with much anticipation, sir. Waiting for further instructions.
What is today?
What is today? You mean in terms of date? It's the 6th of September.
What is today?
Sunday.
And what are Sundays?
Pillow days! Oh my
correct.
god. Okay, we have to give them context now. So basically, pillow days are a thing that Jerry came up with because I'm really busy through the week and I don't exactly get time to just sit with him. On Sundays, he turns me into a pillow.
My pillow.
He likes to go off to sleep on my tummy, and I am just supposed to sit there till he falls asleep, and very often till he also wakes up. Sometimes I try and sneak out once he's fallen asleep. I'll replace myself with an actual pillow, but that's what you want to do right now.
So what are you?
I'm a pillow.
Pillows don't talk, so shush.
So I spent the next 45 minutes playing pillow to Jerry while he fell asleep in my lap as expected, and then I quietly snuck out of there and managed to do a little bit of editing work while he was still sleeping. Okay, it is 7:30 p.m. We basically spent the evening lazing. There wasn't much controlling. I'm kind of glad with how easy this day went.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just calling you for the next time.
Next time? You want to do this again?
Of course.
Do you think there should be a next time? Okay. Well, since you've planned the whole day and all of that, can you tell me what's for dinner?
Dinner for you is prawn tempura.
Woo! We haven't really been eating bahar ka khana all that much. So, basically, this control your day has been a little bit of a treat in that sense.
Yes. Treat Anandi.
Yay!
Nibbles gets treats, so you'll also get treats.
Oh, okay then. Okay, so dinner is prawn tempura is what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay.
And turnip cake and chili oil.
Your day is coming to an end anyway, because after having dinner, I'm going to retire.
No, I still have one more task left to do.
Okay, what's that?
First, finish your dinner.
Okay, I'm about to live in suspense for a little bit for that one last task that Big Boss is giving me. But let's sit and have dinner now.
Yes.
Okay, so we've finished dinner and I'm about to close this video. Oh wait, you had...
Yes, you have one more task.
I just realized, why didn't you say anything? What is your one more task?
What you need to do now is to clear out your whole laptop.
I'm not ready yet to say goodbye.
But you need to.
For context, you guys, I bought my new laptop day before yesterday. There was a vlog from that day. If you haven't seen that as yet, please... I just burped. If you haven't seen that yet, please go check that day vlog out. It was a lot of fun. It was pretty action packed, and I think I covered like a lot of things really well in that vlog. I feel like please correct me if I'm wrong, I feel like I'm getting better at vlogging, like at including you guys in like everything that's happening through the day. At least I feel like that when I'm editing my vlogs, but I need your feedback because that's what matters. So my last task is to clear out my old laptop because the people who are selling it to are coming to pick it up tomorrow. Alright, okay. Leave a comment down below if you guys think that we need to do one more or like make this a series in general. But maybe at times I also get to control his life. I feel like we should enjoy it both. Hey, yeah, we should enjoy it both ways, na Jerry.
I did sit and clear my laptop out while watching this movie on Netflix called The Sleepover, which was really fun, by the way, so watch it if you haven't already.
So Jerry, did you enjoy this day?
Yes, I did.
Was it fun?
Yes, it was very fun for me.
It was a nice chill one, na?
Yes, it was a nice chill one, but the next one, I'll probably go one level up.
Okay, I'm scared now. Alright, and with that we end today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a chillish Sunday and Jerry controlled, my husband controlled my life for the day. This was pretty interesting. Please share your thoughts with me down below in the comments, which reminds me, today's comment shout out goes to Universe. If I remember correctly, because I actually asked her what her name was, she always comments so often. Siddhali. Thank you so much, you guys, for always talking to me in the comments. I'm always reading, liking, hearting and responding to all of you. Please make sure you guys hit like on this video if you're enjoying my content, and of course make sure not just turn the bell button on but also check your settings to make sure you're getting all notifications from my channel, because sometimes you might not land up getting the alerts if that setting is not on. Thank you so much for watching once again. I am off to sleep. Monday morning is going to start on a bright, early and hopefully energetic note. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye.